hello everyone. Hope all you're doing well. I'm working on a song os Gaeilge about a mad goat, and the man singing it jumps on top of the goat, and the goat is running through the stones and having a crazy time. And then he goes and he rips the trousers off of the guard in the local town, and then at the end the Sagart Proste, the priest, the parish priest, says that it was the devil himself who was up on his back. So the singer turns into the devil at the end. It's a bit of crack, and you've probably heard it. And I'm going to give it a shot here with me wee looper. So here is the looper. This is my template at the moment. And when I touch the pedal here, it starts recording, starts recording, starts recording, starts recording, starts recording, starts recording. So as you can see, I just put I kind of spoke in harmony above it again. So that's kind of what's going to happen here. So you can. So we're going to do that for the chorus. And here we go. Eg gwaldum shirkan dredi warga, pikim gods med dolumel, ke kassiar nengama kyo, ak pakkan kronis say buile allelu, builelu allelu, tam Poc Ar Buile allelu, builelu. Alleluia, tam Poc Ar Buile. Alleluia, builelu, alleluia, tam Poc Ar Buile, alleluia, builelu. Alleluia, tam Poc Ar Buile. Alleluia, builelu, alleluia, tam Poc Ar Buile, alleluia, builelu. Alleluia, tam Poc Ar Buile. Alleluia, builelu, alleluia, tam Poc Ar Buile, alleluia, builelu. Alleluia, tam Poc Ar Buile. The rimmer trasna triloga is the glution korak foot in the moinga is traskert the warshes na tartoga husin and yon in the room left when you alleluia, builelu, alleluia, tam Poc Ar Buile, alleluia, builelu. Alleluia, tam Poc Ar Buile. Nírag sé carigro Scottown, Nagarilla force chun me villa, sun se the cash and lamb of woe, le fan war na falle bricke, alleluia, builelu, alleluia, tam Poc Ar Buile, alleluia, builelu. Alleluia, tam Poc Ar Buile. Vi gard morgen malian rosti is valley force chun sin chlippe. Nu share up the Irksatone. Ad av richten nu the inshayable, alleluia, builelu, alleluia, tam Poc Ar Buile, alleluia, builelu. Alleluia, tam Poc Ar Buile. In agony hush lie and tranona, vi en Sagart Proste macht na ganya. She dort gervei and jowl begoile, she go and throw her Poc Ar Buile, alleluia, builelu, alleluia, tam Poc Ar Buile, alleluia, builelu. Alleluia, tam Poc Ar Buile.